Here's the deal. If you've got a Pixel 10, you can now use QuickShare to send files directly to an iPhone using AirDrop. No apps, no QR codes, no sign-ins. It just works, exactly how sharing should be in 2025. Google stressed that this was built with security at its core, and honestly, that makes sense. Independent security experts actually tested the system to make sure your files aren't going anywhere they shouldn't. This is the same team behind the RCS upgrade and unknown tracker alerts, so Google is very clearly pushing for better compatibility between Android and iOS. They even showed it working on the Pixel 10 Pro, and it's fast, like really fast. You tap QuickShare, your iPhone buddy taps AirDrop, you pick the file, and it jumps across instantly. Videos, photos, documents, all of it. The days of sending yourself a 4K video through email are officially over. So who gets this first? Right now, it's rolling out exclusively to the Pixel 10 family, but Google says they're already working on bringing it to more Android devices soon. Samsung phones, Pixel 9, OnePlus, we'll see. But this is clearly the start of something bigger. Honestly, this is the kind of collaboration people have been begging for. We've all been there. Someone takes a great photo and suddenly everyone's arguing about who can AirDrop who now. Pixel to iPhone, Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android sharing just works. And that's how it should have been all along. So what do you think? Should all Android phones get this? Is this the beginning of Apple and Google finally playing nice? Drop your thoughts below. Hit that like button if you're excited for cross-platform peace, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more Pixel 10 coverage coming up. Thanks for watching, and go try QuickShare on your Pixel 10 if you've got one.